While CMC has grown, we try and maintain that entrepreneurial spirit, and it's still a place where everybody makes a difference and you can impact individual products.
I've worked here for 2 years.
It has been 7 years.
Almost 8 years.
24 years.
3 months, so I'm relatively new.
I grew up here. I started at CMC when I was 23. I've been here a little over 18 years. I started as an OA on the floor. I went from there to process specialist, to process engineer, to production engineering manager. So I think the message for anybody is if you have the drive and the determination to grow, you will grow.
You will be challenged to learn more than you've ever learned before.
Everyone's more than willing to help you learn and develop your career.
We try to have that conversation early on the team and say, if you have found your dream job, that's great. But I want you to keep learning. So you have to start thinking about how you're going to continually push your boundaries. And we have great stories of people here that have moved in completely different spots, being very successful.
As an intern, I started in our R&D area working on our pads product line. From R&D, I moved into our quality organization. From there, I was actually able to take a special project. So I worked there on organizational design and leadership development. And now I'm in our corporate relations department, which I work on investor relations, corporate communications, and corporate marketing.
People here are motivating,
Courageous,
Competitive.
Ambitious.
respected.
Hardworking, innovative, caring.
If you have ambition, you can run with it because they encourage that.
People here are driven.
Driven,
Driven.
People here are really smart.
Extremely intelligent.
very intelligent.
People here are sciencey.
People that work here are just very loving and put a lot of love into their work, and they're very kind to one another, and it's kind of like working with a family.
People here are supportive. That's one of the great things that I love about CMC is that you just feel empowered and inspired to be better at what I do.
I feel actually pretty blessed. There's so many great people here. I've been able to collaborate, have professional relationships and also friend relationships. So for me, this company is kind of like home, and it's allowed me to become the person I am right now.